I'm going to show you how you can turn off Windows automatic updates. This going to be a very quick tutorial, and these automatic Windows updates can be very problematic, especially if you are having a limited data connection. These Windows updates can be pretty bulky and could completely use up your monthly quota of data, and therefore actually I personally have faced the similar problem. So I'm going to show you how you can turn this off and whenever you need updates you can have that manually then. So go to Windows search bar here and type in gpedit. So this is the input you have to type here. So you will have this edit group policy. Click on it and it will open this window, and you can expand this then click on this administrative templates and next Windows components, and in the resulting hierarchy scroll down to find Windows Update. Double click on it and it will open update policies, and among these you will find this one, configure automatic updates. Double click on it and it will open this window, and here configure automatic updates, it is not configured currently, and you can either enable or disable it. What we want to do right now is to disable it, so I choose this option and hit on apply button here, then hit on OK. Now you have successfully turned off automatic updates and your system is good to go. So thanks for watching. That's a quick tutorial, and I'll meet you with my next video. Thank you.